taking action. Kita po natin dyan, taking action is key to get results. The key elements here is that those individuals who take consistent steps toward achieving their desired outcomes will ultimately achieve them, while those who don't take action remain stagnant and never see the result they desire. Of course, kasi kung nganga ka lang, di ka kikilos, di ka mag-share, siyempre hindi mo makukuha yung goal mo. But if you work, no, even dun sa travel, no, sa pagbebenta ng ticket, if you really work hard, of course, makukuha mo yung desired result na hinahanap mo. So, ano po ang importante? Taking action. Ibig sabihin, gagalaw po tayo at kikilos, no? So, yun po. Ito, as you can see, no, yung sinasabi kanina nung sa unang part natin na there's gold everywhere, most people are not trained to see it, by Robert Kiyosaki. Ginawa ko po lahat yan as a living proof, no?